Let's get you started with Goalie. First, we're going to talk about the difference between the parent app and the kid app. Next, I'm going to give you a tour of the parent app. Then we'll go over some tips to getting started with routines. And finally, I will go over a few frequently asked questions about Goalie. You ready? Before you do anything else, download the app for parents and the app for kids. This is what they'll look like in the App Store. Just search for Goalie. Wait a second. Did you buy a dedicated device? You will still want to download the kid app so you can get started right away. You can download and log into the kid app on up to 3 devices. Everything you see on the kid app is created and scheduled from the parent app. Pause this video while your apps are downloading. Make sure to log in. Then I'll give you a tour of the parent app. This is the parent app. You manage what your child sees here. You'll probably use routines the most. This is what it will look like when you have the routines all filled out. You can see what time routines are scheduled. Tap here to reschedule a routine. Hold down and drag to reorganize. Tap into an activity to edit video models, visual timers, and settings. Hit the plus button to add a new routine. You can create one from scratch or use a template made by pros. Kids, and honestly adults too, are more motivated to complete routines when there's a reward involved. Here's what your reward section will look like when it's all filled out. Hit the plus button to create a new reward. Name it, size it, and add a photo. Are you here for AAC? Tap Language. Here's what it looks like after you've completed the onboarding videos. Don't skip them. They're really helpful. Hit the plus button to add a custom word, folder, or phrase. Want to help your kid find a word on their talker? Give them a hint here. There are a lot of things you can do right away, but hear me when I tell you this. Start fun. Nobody likes to be bossed around. So help your child build a positive relationship with Goalie by starting fun. We recommend all parents start with our templated bedtime routine. You can find it here. There are already basic visuals and activities to get you started. Now let's make it fun for your kid. Here are some ideas. Try adding a fun activity. I'm going to add a bedtime story. Pause this video for more activity ideas. Another way to make Goalie fun is to include rewards. Think about something that your kid could earn daily. This routine is worth 100 points, so I'm going to add a tablet time reward that's also worth 100 points. Here's how to add it, and here's how your child can redeem it. Another fun idea is to upload custom video and audio. I mean, what kid doesn't want to see themselves on the big screen? I'll give you an idea. I'm going to replace this picture of a toothbrush with a video of Jacob actually brushing his teeth. Goalie's robot already reads all of the steps out loud, but let's record some audio of our own. Jacob, make sure to pick out your favorite jammies. If bedtime just isn't going to work for you, try a fun routine. Add one of our templates like baking cookies. Those are the basics. Now let's talk about some frequently asked questions. Let's start with Wi-Fi. Does the kid app need to be on a device that's always connected to Wi-Fi? No. Your child can use the talker and routines off of Wi-Fi, but just make sure to connect when you're making changes to a routine or redeeming rewards. But how do you connect to Wi-Fi on a Goalie dedicated device? Easy, just go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and answer the prompt. Adults only. Now let's talk about how to customize apps. Yes, you can hide any app that just isn't going to work for your family. Just go to Settings and toggle the app off. Some kids do better with sensory-sensitive sounds. You can adjust the volume for each connected device with this master volume. If your kid doesn't like something, like the pause reminder sound, you can change it here. That's Goalie. If you're still unsure how to get started or want some more tips, we're here to help you. Schedule a parent coaching call with us at the link below.